Good morning everyone, Sai Ram. Let us continue with the next part of EVS 1 lesson number 6, variety in food. Children, in today's video we are going to watch about the famous food items of Maharashtra and its neighboring states, and also about the crops grown in our state. So let us begin the video by learning the new words. Here comes the new words. Look at the first word. Distribution. Distribution. Now distribution means dividing. Okay, when a whole cake is being brought, and then when you cut it into equal pieces or small pieces and then you distribute it to everyone, that is known as distribution. Second word is adjoining. Adjoining. Adjoining means just next to you. Okay, you share a common wall with your neighbor, yes or no? So that means your houses are adjoined to each other. So adjoining means close to each other. Okay, third one is diversity. Diversity. Diversity means variety. Okay, diversity means what? Variety. Fourth one, varies. Varies. Varies is again different. Okay, one thing is different from another, so varies means it is different. And the last one, depicts. Depicts means it relates. Okay, it relates to something, so that is called depicts. Is that clear? So are you clear with all the 5 new words? And I hope you have made a note of all the new words. Now let us see what is there. Now India's major food crops means the important crops which are grown in India. There are 3. Can you see there are 3 important and major crops which are grown in India? And what are they? See, the first one is rice. Rice is a food item which we include every day in our diet. It is an important part in our diet, yes or no? So rice we require every day, but not every day, at least alternate days we have it, yes or no? But some people eat rice every day. So India's one of the important and major food of India is rice. Okay, second one is wheat. Yes, wheat is also equally important in India because we make rotis out of wheat. We make many different items out of wheat, and wheat is included again in our everyday diet, in our everyday food. So wheat is also an important major food crop of India. Okay, and the third one is jawar. Jawar is also a food item which is included in many parts of India. Okay, they prepare bhakri from it. We saw the varieties of jawar. If you remember, we saw hurda, we saw laya, we saw sange. See, these all are the varieties, these all are the preparations which are made from jawar. So jawar again is an important food crop of India. So there are how many food crops? Important and major food crops of India. How many are there? There are 3. And which are they? First one is rice, second one is wheat, and the third one is jawar. Okay, so keep in mind that dash and dash are the important and major food crops of India. So what are you going to write? Rice, wheat and jawar. Okay, now rice is grown on a large scale in the coastal region. What do you mean by coastal? Coastal means the region, the area which is nearby to the sea or nearby to the oceans are known as coastal region. Rice is a crop which requires huge amount of water. Okay, it requires a large amount of water, and that is why rice is grown on a large scale, means it is grown in more quantity in the coastal areas. Okay, in the coastal region. Okay, then wheat is grown on a large scale in central regions. Okay, central regions get moderate rainfall. So wheat is a crop which requires moderate rainfall, not heavy, not low, it requires medium rainfall. So central regions have medium, moderate rainfall. Central regions receive moderate rainfall. So that is why wheat is grown on a large scale in the central regions. Is that clear? And jawar is grown on a large scale in the plateau region. Again, jawar is a crop which requires low rainfall. So jawar is grown on the plateau regions, especially on the plateau regions it rains little bit less. Okay, it has low rainfall or moderate. But then jawar is a crop which requires low rainfall. Is that clear? So what did we do? Rice is grown in the areas of heavy rainfall, okay, and near the coastal region. Wheat is grown on a large scale in central regions, and jawar is grown on a large scale in plateau region. So these were the three types of major food crops of India, and we saw about where it is grown, in which part it is grown, and what type of rainfall does it require. Are you clear till now? Now look at this. Famous food items of Maharashtra and neighboring states. Okay, so we are going to have a look on the famous food items of Maharashtra and its neighboring states. Each state has a particular and specific food variety which is very, very famous. Okay, so we are going to have a look at it. Now I have given this a picture of Maharashtra map, you can see on the screen, but as it cannot be enlarged, so it will not be clear for you to see. But then too, what I have done is, this is there in your textbook. You refer your textbook in chapter 11, lesson number 6. It is there in your textbook. Okay, you can refer it afterwards. But I have just given a map to just show you. See the yellow colors. 1 minute, I'll just show you. See, this is Thane. Can you see it? And Thane's famous food item is rice bhakri. Okay, so in Thane more what you get, rice bhakri. The yellow balls, the yellow colored balls which you can see are the food items written inside. We live in Thane, so first we'll see about Thane. That Thane's food item is rice bhakri. Then if you will go somewhere here, see Satara. Can you see Satara? Here it is jawar bhakri. So the famous food item of Satara is jawar bhakri. Same way if you will go to the neighboring states, okay, it is outside Maharashtra. Here Karnataka is there. Can you see? Afterwards you will see it clearly. Don't worry, I have written it separately for you to understand. Karnataka, it is Mysore Pak and Idli Dosa are the two famous food items of Karnataka. Okay, so this is the map which is showing you the famous food items of Maharashtra and its neighboring countries. Okay, now if you go here, see Nasik. So in Nasik, mande is a famous food item. It is a kind of puran poli only, sweet dish. So mande in Nasik is famous item. So this map you can refer in your textbook. See here, if you will go Gujarat here up, that you cannot see, but I'll tell you afterwards. I'll have written it separately, don't worry. So 1 minute. So here dhokla and thepla are the famous food items of Gujarat. Okay, now this is not clear for you, I know, so I have written each and every, means I have taken out major important states which you should know about their food items. All you should refer, but in this video I have shown only few of the important states of Maharashtra. So let us see few important places of Maharashtra. First one obviously is Thane, because we live in Thane, we should know what is our famous food items, and it is rice bhakri. Many people in Thane have rice bhakri every day during their lunch, during their dinner. So it is one of the famous food item of Thane. Okay, so rice bhakri. You live in Thane, so you should know about Thane. What is the famous food item of Thane? It is rice bhakri. Okay, I have given the picture also for you so that you can understand it better. Next one is Pune. Okay, Pune is famous food item is nachni bhakri, that is ragi. Okay, nachni is also called as ragi. So in Pune it is nachni bhakri that is famous. Okay, then in Sindhudurga, if you go to the Konkan side, see it is near to the sea. Yes or no? The Konkan area is near to the sea. So that is why people there eat fish, rice and modaks during festivals. Okay, so if you go Ganpati, if you go in Ganesh festivals in Konkan district, every day you are going to get modaks during the 10 days of Ganpati. So modak is a very popular dish of Konkan region, as well as fish and rice, because they are staying near to the sea, so they eat fish every day and very often, and rice, it is included in every day in their meal. Okay, so Sindhudurga's famous food items, what are they? Fish, rice, modak. Okay, now next one is Goa. Goa is also a neighboring state of Maharashtra, and Goa's famous food item is prawn curry. Prawn is a fish, and they prefer to have it, they have it very often. So prawn curry is a famous food item of Goa. Okay, then next one is Kolhapur. Okay, Kolhapur's famous food item is red white mutton curry. In Marathi, it is known as Tambda Pandra Rassa. Okay, or Pandra Tambda Rassa. In Marathi, if you must have heard, many of you must have heard, it is a very famous food item of Kolhapur. It is prepared from mutton. Okay, that is goat, and the gravy is made in white color and in red color, so that is why it is known as red white mutton curries. We have given the pictures below. Okay, now the next one is Nasik, that is Mandel. I just now showed you in the map. It is like a puran poli only. It is a sweet dish, only it is, see, it is being folded in some other way, and it is being prepared for some different item, but it is a sweet dish. It is a kind of puran poli. So in Nasik, Mande is the famous food item. Okay, then comes Nagpur. In Nagpur, you get oranges in large quantity. Yes or no? So in Nagpur, the famous food item is orange barfi. Isn't it yummy? Yes, some of you must have already eaten it. I have not tasted it yet, but I want to taste. If I get a chance, I will surely taste that. So Nagpur's famous food item is orange barfi, because oranges grow in a large quantity in Nagpur. Yes or no? Then comes Dhule. Okay, Dhule's favorite and famous food item is brinjal bharit. It is my favorite. I like brinjal very very much, and brinjal bharit is my most favorite, if you can say, in dishes. So in Dhule, I have not visited Dhule, but I'll specially go in future if I get a chance to especially eat this brinjal bharit with roti. Okay, whatever I get, I can eat it like that only. But this is my favorite dish. Okay, and I hope many of the students also must be liking it. Your mother also must be preparing it at home. So in Dhule, the famous food item is brinjal bharit. Okay. Next one is Hingoli. Hingoli, again the famous food item is dhapate. We saw in the last video, this is made of jawar. Okay, it is like a dhapate. It is being served with curd, or it is being served with butter, or it is being served with ghee. Okay, so in Hingoli, dhapate is the famous food item. Then in Jalgaon, it is bafla lapshi. It is a kind of kachori type. It is a sweet dish which is served with lapshi. Okay, a famous food item. I also want to try this. Okay, it looks very very yummy. So in Jalgaon, what is the famous food item? Bafla lapshi. Okay, then the next one is Solapur, peanut chutney. Again very very yummy. I think you're feeling very hungry by looking at all the tasty and delicious dishes. Now Solapur, peanuts, groundnuts grow in large quantity, and they include groundnut in most of their vegetables and all. And peanut chutney is one of the most famous food item of Solapur. Okay, so it's very very yummy. You can have it with roti, or you can just eat it like that also if you like it so much. Okay, and Karnataka, which we just now saw, Mysore pak. It is a sweet dish. Idli dosa is obviously there in Karnataka. In south side, if you go, you'll get everywhere idli dosa. But apart from that, the sweet dish which is famous in Karnataka is Mysore pak. Again, one of my favorite. I like everything. I am not specific that I don't like this vegetable. I eat everything. Okay, and you should also be like that. You should, like some say, Miss Karela bahut kadwa hai. I don't know. Karela is also good. Some your favorite vegetable. You should have all the vegetables. Okay, and everything whatever mother serves you in the plate, you should have it at least little. But you should have every taste of every food item, and then you remain fit, and then you become. If you have only specific taste, like no, I don't like this, I don't like that, no, No, don't become like that. Keep in mind, eat everything and in small quantities, and stay fit and stay healthy always. Is that clear? And now we'll take a recap. Okay, we'll just revise and we'll take a quick recap of what we watched in today's video. First, we watched about the major food crops. Which were the major food crops? They were rice, wheat and jawar. We saw that rice is grown in the areas of coastal region. Okay, then wheat is grown in the central region and jawar is grown in the plateau region. And these are the three major food crops of India. What are they? Rice, wheat and jawar are the major food crops of India. Okay. Then second one, the last one what we saw is famous food items of Maharashtra. I showed you the map, but that was not very clear for you. So I just picked out few important regions of Maharashtra with their food items. I gave you the picture. I showed you the picture also of it for you to understand it better. Okay, and you can refer that map in your EVS 1 textbook in lesson number 6. Okay, so we saw about various food items. We saw first of Thane, that was rice and bhakri. Then we saw about Kolhapur, that was red white mutton curry. Then Karnataka, which was Mysore pak. So like that, this video has come to an end. I hope you have understood what I have taught you in today's video. And thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye. Take care.